Hi friends, uh, I'll tell you 2 years back, one of my friend has invested around $1,000 for a drop shipping e-commerce website store. I think even to build an e-commerce store on a Shopify, actually, I think we need to spend a lot of mm, amount of money, and it's a recurring. Now, today I'm going to introduce one software which actually generates e-com web stores in a one click of button and will also drive traffic around to a platform around 353 million visitors would be there. So that software is called Income Engine. So let us go and see what exactly Income Engine is. So Income Engine is going to be launched by these two people, Sean Josiah and Mr. Shayman. So this is going to be launched on June 18th, I think 10 a.m. EST. So let us see what exactly Income Engine is. So Income Engine is activate Income Engine traffic bots in one click and get free buyer traffic from 353 million visitors. So as claimed by the people who are launching, they are making around 1,000 daily or more with this traffic, without writing a single word and without paid ads, without a Twitter account. What are the benefits? What as get free traffic within 24 hours, works like a charm for newbies. This traffic loves to buy and works in any niche. It works on in every niche. It is 100% automated app, no extra expenses needed. So I am at actually Fever. Let us see how actually a gig for building in an e-commerce store, how much the people are going to charge. So I am here. His name is Mirpur Live. For a basic version of an e-commerce store, complete online store setup for a small business with a free theme and support. So he is going to charge around $120. He takes around 3 days delivery. It's a one page, five products only basic version. For a standard page, three pages, 10 products, somebody is charging around $220. For a premium version, 20 products, 8 days delivery, 5 pages, he is charging 350. Now I'll show you another gig where this person, Mr. Shamroj Rana, he is charging $95 for a basic version where he gives 3 pages up to 10 products. For a standard version, $250, 5 pages and up to 10 products. And a premium version, $353, 10 pages and 30 products he can give. So this is the amount of expense which you are going to incur if at all you approach any freelancer on market stores like Fiverr and Upwork. Now if you buy Income Engine, you are going to save all this money, and you are going to benefit it because in the time also, because it is a one click button thing. Immediately you can build stores and you can get traffic also. Now this is Income Engine, but why do you need to buy it from me? Because I'm going to give you amazing bonuses. So this is my super bonus bundle, Naveen Kumar Madhavar super bonus package. If you are going to buy Income Engine from me, you are going to get these amazing bonuses. So launch your own profitable income sites in 60 seconds, sell any kind of product in any niche and get you unlimited hot buyer traffic from 2.8 billion visitors in a single dashboard. The first bonus I am giving you is 100 fast list building methods and techniques. For every product or service which you are going to offer on online, you need to have list. Email list is the gold mine which we everybody requires. So this is here I am giving 100 fast list building methods you're going to get as a bonus number one. Bonus number two is ClickBank Traffic Mastermind. ClickBank is the place where many products are hosted. You can just enter the into ClickBank and how to get traffic for these ClickBank products. Third bonus is of 297 value. Think big and growing rich in the digital age. Now everybody is on the digital arena and everybody wants to get rich. But you need to have certain procedures, certain techniques where you can learn from this. My third bonus is think big and growing rich. The fourth bonus is social media traffic. Now, whether it's a Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, any everything, you have simple solution to building traffic to your business from using these social media channels. This is coming as a fourth bonus in this review now, and the fifth bonus is how to win friends and influence others. This though online you are not going to be met people online, but actually the people on a virtual world you need to have a network. So this will help you how to win friends and influence. This is I am going to give you as a fifth bonus. So if you want these bonuses, you can click any of these buttons where it will, or otherwise this secure your bonuses but now button, it will direct you to here, the sales page. The sales page I have already explained you. This is one of the lengthy sales page. Uh, these these are the people who are launching this product. Let us see what is a demo. How does the demo looks? I'm going to show you how the user interface will be seen. So this is we are in a members area. Whenever you buy income engine, automatically you will be lead to this place. This is amazing user friendly interface. Here the dashboard. Here you can select any language. Google Translator is incorporated into this. Automatically translates. You can select your language. This is a dashboard where you can have total orders in this month, total order this week, today's orders, sales engine, sales revenue, everything is visible here. So I will show you the sales engine. How does it look? View sales engine. So this is the sales engine where the number of templates, PayPal is also incorporated. Even here, the trafficking, everything is available. Now, let me select you some. If I create some sales engine for you, so these are the number of templates. So around more than 50 entries are available. I think it is done for you. Templates have been given, done for you. Products have been chosen for you. Though this if product seems to be very cheap product, but actually these type of products actually has got user value and they sell a lot. But imagine actually this product selling at a $5, and if you clock some thousands of units. So look at this. Uh, this is just a clip holder, but it is very useful. Now this can be used in a car. Now I'll see these are the products have been selected. You don't need to search or spend time in online to select this product. Already these are all popular products which can be sold very well, at a good level in online market. Now I will click this. Suppose if you want to create a store for this, just click this here. So entire information has been given. They have chosen all these products. As I have told you, for this kind of features, my friend has spent around thousands of dollars. Now I will reveal the price later, but it is very a fraction of the cost. Now this is the product description he has given. They have given this is the price analysis. You can get the suppliers you can have. These are the ad images. Actually, ad video is also available. Ad target, where exactly you can target, and detailed ad copy is also available. So everything has been given here. Just you need to press click of a button. Actually, automatically it create. Let me create one store. So these are the templates. As soon as you select the product and click that button, it will give you templates. So you can user friendly, amazingly looking templates can be built here. So I'll let us preview this. It's a one page sales page. How amazing it is looking. So it's a click of a button. Within 10 I think within 10 minutes actually you can build a store uh, where we can show you sales history. Actually, another button. Actually, here you can go. You can see order ID, customer name, product amount, quantity, checkout, status, action. Everything is available by email, by search by order, search by time. You can say now another button. Autoresponder. Whenever you buy a product, actually you have to intimate. You have to send a notification over a mail to customer. Yeah, here in this button, you can integrate all the famous autoresponders available in the market, whether it's a MailChimp, GetResponse, Aweber, everything can be incorporated here. Then actually abandoned order, people sometimes actually select products, but actually they don't buy. You can see you these abandoned orders, and automatically you can send a mail to customers to remind them that actually they have selected this product and have not completed the transaction. Now email swipes, they have given you around, I think, four. So these many number of actually email swipes have been given. You don't need to search for templates. Around 10 pages of email swipes have been given. So see, this is completely user friendly, one click button e-commerce store builder. Automatically, as soon as actually you have got this, you can also send traffic that has been here. So how do I get started? Here a complete FAQ system has been given, a complete training has been given here. If you go through this training, I think nothing can be complicated or a difficult thing to understand here. It's a very within four videos they have explained everything. So I think this is one of the best amazing software which I have seen in recent past. So why actually you anybody can you need to buy this software to build e-commerce stores? Because as after COVID, people are not going to visit shops or malls. They are not spending. Everybody is on online. Around as in a recent study, around 12 billion. So in a recent study, around 72% pe- increase in a recent study there is an increase in 72% on internet usage, and around 36% of the people are purchase have 32% increase in online purchases. In a recent study, it was observed that around 72% increase was there in internet usage, and around 32% increase in online purchase. So this is the best time to build your stores or business online. So this will income engine facilitates a place where you can get to build web stores of your product or your niche, and you can also generate traffic in a click of button. So what is the price of this thing? So income engine on a front end, it will membership is available at $17. There is a hack I will tell you. So whenever you're going to buy, actually press buy it, but try to exit. As soon as you are going to exit, they will show you some discount thing. You can avail that. Then upgrade. number one is Income Engine Unlimited, $67. It's a commercial license. Create unlimited profit engine, 3-in-1 sales engine, access to 15 profit engine premium templates. Get upgraded to our ultra fast profit engine hosting server, and unlimited one-click order bump, unlimited fast selling product, and a cart abandoned order recovery, a hot email swipe, everything is available. Upgrade to Income Engine done for you, $97. Stay on top of the game, get 10 fresh untapped 100% done for you products added to your Income Engine amount monthly. Every time 10 fresh products are going to be added, up to 120 new products yearly, with the product description, price analysis, suppliers, add images, add videos, add target, and add copy. And upgrade number three, Income Engine High Ticket Maximizer, $47. The upgrade equips customers with a how to's to get high ticket commission. Simply plug and play the pre-selected high ticket items to make $1,000 commissions per sale. And upgrade number four is Income Engine Drive, $67. Store, host all your Income Engine pages, sites, videos, product images on cloud server having no. So unlimited storage up to 100 GB storage. So these are the upgrades you have. Around upgrade 5 is around passive income masterclass, around $47. Upgrade 6 is multiple streams of income masterclass, $47. Upgrade 7 is Income Engine Traffic Booster, $67. Upgrade in 8 is around Income Engine Reseller License, $127. So these are the upgrades available along with the front end offer. This is the best offer which you need to grab immediately. I have seen many e-commerce software, e-commerce. I have seen many e-commerce web builder software, but this seems to be exhaustive and available at a great price, and it has great features and along with the traffic also. So I will try to summarize what you are going to get. This is Income Engine. Activate Income Engine traffic bots. One click and get free buyer traffic from 353 million visitors. They are getting around 1,000 daily. The key benefits are: get free traffic within 24 hours. Works like a charm for newbies. This traffic lovers to buy. Works any niche. 100% automated app. No extra expenses needed. What bonuses you are going to get when you are buying from me? You are going to get these bonuses from me. Super bonuses. Bundle number one is 100 fast list building method techniques. ClickBank traffic mastermind. Thinking big and growing rich at the digital age. Social media traffic. And fifth is how to win friends. So these amazing bonuses are accompanying from the front end offer, that is traffic engine. I have shown you the upgrades, uh, and this is left now. This is left to you because I have shown you all the features of the product. I hope this video will definitely benefit you. I will then generally make these type of reviews every time. Appreciate if you like and click that subscribe button and bell button. To get the bonuses and the product, you have to click the link below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.